Clearbra, North Dallas, 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, full wrap with a S-Tech Camo. This is one of their designer films. Super thick, super nice. Very impressed with it. Very nice film. Full vehicle, obviously, all edges wrapped in. We don't shave them like some people do. Some people actually shave them off where you'll see a silver edge. They're all wrapped around fully. All these come off. Everything's underneath. Everything's fully wrapped. Apparently I heard this A-pillar is being problematic for some of these trucks, but we fully wrap it in. All your doors, all these moldings, everything's fully done. Everything just looks fantastic coming around the edges. Full tint, every piece of glass, windshield in full. Come back here to the quarter panel, fully wrapped in under this rubber. Fully wrapped in here. Like I said, these come off. No, these shrouds, fender flares come off. Coming around this quarter, wrapping in behind here, so you don't see all the silver. It looks like it's a natural paint job for the vehicle. Everything's wrapped in here, all the way under. No issues. Everything's nice and flat. No problems with adhesives. No stretch marks, no damage on the installation. Everything looks perfect. Very nice film. A little expensive, but very nice. Coming up over here, all these edges fully wrapped, 100%. No issues. No issues for us. ClearbraNorthDallas.com is who we are. Any questions, feel free to give us a call, 214-414-3809. I'm Brent, and emails ClearbraNorthDallas@gmail, and a cell phone 940-703-8301. Appreciate you guys watching our channel. Like us. Any questions, comments, feel free to attach them, and we'll do what we can to get back to you. Thank you.